What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. My bad for the late start. As you can see, I basically had to go to a different platform just to monitor the charts and everything. Apple and AMD. I'm watching the SPY and the Qs over here. Watching the SPY and the Qs right here. And I mean, bruh, super bullish. Like, this is like, I haven't seen bullishness like this in a hot minute, bro. Like, seriously, in a hot minute. But again, I'm curious to see how this shakes out. I mean, here's what I'm watching. Anyways, on my other monitor, I'm watching obviously the S&P 500, the bonds. Watching Meta, Nvidia, the normal stuff. You feel me? I mean, it's seeming like we topped out a little bit finally. I mean, basically how I feel is what goes up must come down. Obviously, we all know that to be true, right? But we've gone up substantially, bro. So, I mean, if those laws are true and what goes up must come down, I feel like it's looking like we might be coming down quite a lot here. So, I mean, wow, up here would be the perfect rip to sell, dude. Like, jeez, because we finally topped out. Now let's see what AMD does right here at these levels. I mean, these levels don't really mean much. I got them off the intraday, but I mean, two decent rejections right here. I mean, this level we can get rid of, but more interested in this level right here. I guess it's what 67.05 or 06 or something like that. So I mean, if we go down and crack that level, and then on Apple, let's look. I mean, obviously right here, 134.44 is going to be a crucial level. I'll say even right here for Apple, 135.75. And then on the Qs, I mean, there's several of them. And again, this is from an intraday standpoint, but the levels I'd be watching for spots for resistance and or support, just intraday would be right here. This 272 25s. You got 273. Forgive me, I'm not used to using Webull. I gotta say though, like, as far as being user friendly, especially for charting and maybe doing some technical analysis, I feel like Webull's like really user friendly. And I know there's a way to get rid of all the levels. I just forgot how to do it. Get rid of all your drawings and stuff. Like I said, I don't really use Webull. Like I basically just signed up for it to get the free stocks. I haven't even taken any trades in Webull. I think I may have taken a few. I mean, whatever free stocks they gave me, like are still in there. I just figured I'll leave them in there and see what they do over time. It's like a little experiment. So I forgot what I got. I have to log in and actually check. I forgot my password for it though, so it's too much trouble. But bro, like, we just like basically gapped up, bro. Like, and you know, I would have assumed the opposite, because going into the close yesterday, it seemed like we were fading and seeming like we were gonna sell off. I mean, lo and behold, we gapped up for some reason. And again, that's why it's important to try to remain neutral in your bias, and definitely not try to swing trades overnight. On this chart, we have Nvidia and Meta. You feel me? So I mean, this is what we're working with right now. This is Apple, AMD, the Qs. I mean, just real. It seems like we topped out up here though. And I don't know why I have the Qs here. Let's go ahead and put NVIDIA here. After hours and pre-market. I mean, I'd say this is a pretty significant level right here. Basically, where we're trying to break above right now, I guess that's what 165 flat, and then obviously I'd also call up here where we topped out at significant, just because it's the high a day, and then around here. And I also have a gang load of content from yesterday's trading. I just haven't had a chance to render it. Well, actually, I did render some of them. I just haven't uploaded them yet.